Seaway Welland, Port Colborne pilot boat.
Port Colborne pilot boat, Seaway Welland, over.
We're outbound with a canal pilot on board for the Greenwind.
Port Colborne pilot boat, roger, we have that, over.
Alright, thank you.
Hello and welcome to another video. My name is Nigel, also known as a Lake Erie vlogger, and of course I'm on Lake Erie. And today I have Greenwing just lining up to make its way into Port Colborne. If you're wondering where I am exactly on the lake, I'm 4.7 miles offshore on the Sea-Doo, and Greenwing is probably about 3 miles beyond me, so it's about 7 miles out. So I don't know if you can see it in the distance. Just there. So I'm going to move out of the way very shortly because right now she's staring right at me. So I'm going to move just slightly over that side. I believe the pilot boat is over there, and I think the pilot boat is going to meet it as well and take off the lake pilot, and then it'll make its way in to Port Colborne. And what we'll do, we'll follow it in, try and get ahead of it as well, and we'll get the drone up. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the show.
Algoma Strongfield, the Greenwing.
Greenwing, Algoma Strongfield.
Oh yes, are you getting underway once you get your anchor up, or what are your intentions?
No, not yet. They are working on the bow thruster right now.
Yeah, but are you, so you're not leaving the anchorage?
Negative, not right now.
Okay then, very good. We'll be coming into the call-in point here and then swinging around, and we'll stay to the south of you. The ship's just going to be drifting for about an hour until the next pilot comes aboard. So just as long as I know you're going to be staying at anchor.
Yeah, for now, if I start to pick up, I'll give you a shout.
Yeah, okay. So you're not intending on picking up for a while?
No idea, Mr. Pilot. I'm waiting for the chief engineer forward.
Okay, very good, thank you.
So I'm trying to figure out what's going on. So Strongfield is right behind me, Strongfield. And that is Greenfield coming in. I'm trying to figure which one's drifting. This one was under power. I'm just wondering if he's coming to a stop and he's not going to come in just yet. But he just say it's going to stay to the south of him. Maybe I'll have to play back that transmission again. Now this is nice. Nearly 5 miles out on the lake. And my Sea-Doo is actually pointing the right way and hasn't turned around. So hopefully Greenwing is now going to come right past me. I can keep the engine off and we just be able to hear it go right past. So enjoy.
Seaway Welland, Port Colborne pilot boat.
Port Colborne pilot boat, Seaway Welland, over.
We're outbound with a canal pilot on board for the Greenwind.
Port Colborne pilot boat, roger, we have that, over.
Alright, thank you.
Alright, so the pilot's going to make his way over to the Greenwing now. And I believe that what we heard was the lake pilot's getting off. So anyway, we're on the... oh, whirlpools. Wow, whirlpools came out of nowhere.
See that? There's another one.
Alright, just caught my eye, sorry. So anyway, back to the vessel. The pilot's going to get on board. I think they're going to wait here for a while, I'm not too sure. I'm keeping a distance of probably about 200 feet away, 150 to 200 feet. I'm not getting involved.
You can just see the pilots coming out, making their way to the wooden steps.
Seaway Welland, Greenwing.
Wing Seaway Welland, over.
You guys coming to C16 there now. I'm going to be getting off, and the ship's just going to drift to the south of the south and the west of the Algoma Strongfield until the next the canal pilot comes out.
Greenwing Seaway Welland, roger, we have that, over.
Roger. Ship will be standing by in 14 and 10.
Roger.
Big question is now, what's Greenwing going to do? I did hear her say she's going to stay to the south of Strongfield. I'm sure I did. Maybe she's going to turn now and line up for the piers and make her way into Port Colborne. All right, the pilot vessel is free and making its way back into Port Colborne. And Greenwing will figure out what she's going to do in a few moments.
I was grateful the weather was actually quite nice, very calm, very relaxing. Shame I never brought my fishing rod this particular day, as I was out here just floating around with the Greenwing for about an hour before it decided to make its way into Port Colborne. So while we wait for it to make its way into Port Colborne, let me tell you a little bit about Greenwing. The MV Greenwing is a handy-sized bulk carrier, and it was built in March 2002 by the Wuhu shipyard in China, and it sails under the flag of the Marshall Islands and is operated by Canfonav Incorporation. The Greenwing measures in with an overall length of 186.4 meters, which is 611 feet and 5 inches, with a beam of 24 meters, which is 78 feet and 7 inches. And her gross tonnage is 18,311 tons. Today, the ship is currently arriving in Port Colborne from Sarnia, and she'll be making her way up to Montreal before heading out to Marin, which is on the northwest coast of Spain.
Gone quite a little bit further past Port Colborne. I wonder where it's going to turn around. I wonder whether it's waiting for Sunavik, which is coming out of Port Colborne in a few minutes, and maybe then it'll make its way around. And she's firing up again. I got a lot more black diesel coming out there, smoke. Strongfield's still sat there.
Seaway Welland, we have one inbound vessel, Greenwing, coming out of Anchorage. She'll be downbound. In the canal, you'll be meeting them outside. Also have the Algoma Strongfield at Anchorage. They'll be underway west on the lake, westbound very shortly. We'll talk to you at the piers for your ETA. Over.
Roger, thank you.
See you well in the Greenwing.
Greenwing, Seaway Welland, over.
Hey, good afternoon, Captain.
Greenwing, Seaway Welland, Roger. The Sun and Vic. Departing Lock 8, you'll be meeting them outside. Security call at the piers. Lock 8 will take you down. Be covered by the lights. Over.
He's already cleared the lock?
Greenwing, Seaway Welland, departing now. Over.
Okay, how about meet inside the piers?
Greenwing, Seaway Welland, if you want to meet him inside, push her. Over.
Okay, thanks.
Sun and Vic, Seaway Welland.
Seaway Welland, Son of Vic.
Vic, Seaway Welland, Greenwing has canal pilot on. They want to push it right inside for me. How do you feel about that?
I guess so, if he's on his green side.
Sun and Vic, Seaway Welland, Roger. Greenwing, Seaway Welland, you copy?
Yeah, copy. Lots of room there, but they will be well over our side.
Okay, very good.
Okay, the pilot boat's on its way out to beat Greenwing, and Greenwing's going to make its way into Port Colborne right now to start its journey through the Welland Canal.
Security call, the Greenwing inbound Port Colborne piers.
Okay, I'm just inside the piers here, Port Colborne. What I'm going to do, because I'm still a little nervous about this new drone I have, about launching from Sea-Doo. I did it earlier on and I caught it, but it's not as easy to catch as the other one I had. So I'm still getting used to it. So what I'm going to do is just pull up to this bit here and dangle my feet over the Sea-Doo so it doesn't rub against the wall. Sunavik is making its way out. Might get a little clip to that as she comes out as we wait for Greenwing to come by the other way. kind of really hoped they would have sounded the horn as the two of them passed one another right there, but it didn't happen. So anyway, that is it from Port Colborne on the Greenwing, making its way onto the Welland Canal. So the Vic coming on out, heading to Cleveland. So anyway, until the next video, stay safe. See you all very soon.
Front of Seaway Welland, over.
Yes, sir. We are out at Port Colborne Piers. Talk to you on 1-1.
Seaway Welland, roger, at the piers, talk to you on 1-1, over.
Seaway Long Point, son of a...
Big Seaway Long Point, over.
Yes, sir. Out at Port Colborne Piers. Give you 3 hours to Long Point and 0230 Cleveland.
Seaway Long Point, roger, 3 hours to Long Point, 0230 Cleveland. The Algoma Endeavor, through Long Point, to CIP 161640. The Canadian Coast Guard ship Limnos, working station on the east side of Long Point. Another reported traffic, talk to you again at Long Point, over.
Roger that. Thank you.
Greenwing, Bridge 21, just have one pedestrian on the bridge. Once they're clear, I'll go up for you.
Yeah, we have that.